Everyone, it's come to our attention that if you are on slide 5, so day 2, and you are trying to drag these over, what's happening is when you get here and you click in there, you can't see your box of what you said it was. Whoops. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that, so that way, how to fix this, so that way when you do it, you're all set. So all you have to do is hover over the picture that says water cycle, and then if you can right click on it, whoops, try that again. If you can right click on it and it says order, and you want to send backwards. Actually, send it all the way to the back. Send to back. And so then, let's see if it goes together. When you bring it over now, you should be all set. So once again, you're going to just right click on here, and you're going to change the order, send to back. And then you'll be able to move the pictures or your words and your definitions to the ones where they need to be. Obviously, those are not right, so don't go by what I just did. I just wanted to share. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, friends.